Unfortunately, I am on a budget. I can't be making too many products. Hi everyone, it's Joyce from Pwuffy. So for the past 2 days, I've been working on packing all the Patreon rewards for the months of April and May. The pins arrived just in time for me to start packing them, so today I will be showing you guys the design. I also have the pins for next month, which is June. All of these pins are currently available on my shop, so if you're not part of my Patreon, you will still be able to purchase these. So yeah, let's get started. So I learned my lesson about ordering too many pins at once. Because I come out with new pin designs every month, I don't think there's a need to have more than 100 of each pin design, especially if they're not bestsellers. So I usually order between 100 to 200 designs of pins depending on if they're also part of Patreon rewards, and some of them are also part of the Macabun club, and there's not as many people there, so I usually order 100 and just put the rest on my shop. So let's go ahead and start with April rewards. For the month of April, the theme was Cherry Blossom Japanese Mystical Fox. That's a very English way of saying they usually have 9 tails, but I did 6. I couldn't fit 9 in a very aesthetically pleasing way. So this is the pink version. This is also the main pin. My pins are getting bigger and bigger, so I'll show you guys the difference between my current Macabuns and my old Macabuns. And this is the purple or lilac version. I also have a blue version. That I made into a keychain, and you guys will be able to see that on my shop. And next are the rewards for May. And the Macabun colors for this month were pink and evil, aka black. And of course, I had to make some Macabuns into pins because they are the star character of my brand. We love Macabuns. So let me show you pink first. This is pink Macabun, and this is black evil Macabun. Both of them have heart rubber backings on the back, and the sizes of these are, I would say, 50% bigger than my old Macabun pins. My pins have progressively gotten bigger over the past few months that I started making pins. I think this is a common occurrence for pin makers. Let me show you guys the size comparison. So these are my Pride Month Macabun pins that I made for last year's Pride Month. I think they're super cute, and this is the size difference between my old Macabuns and my new Macabuns. Honestly, either size is good, but the old ones only have 1 backing and they're black, whereas the new ones have 2 and they're pink. 2 backings are generally better than 1 backing just because the pin wouldn't rotate when you put it on. As I'm making new products, I'm also learning about what makes a product better. Lastly, I want to show you guys the pin designs for next month, which is June. The Macabun designs are blue and purple. What would have been more cost effective when making these Macabuns is that I just kept the metal part the same, so the face would just have the regular face. But because my Macabuns have different faces, I had to make a separate mold for each pin, even though the general shape is the same. So these are the blue and the purple / lilac Macabuns. I have put all of them on backing cards so you guys can see how adorable they are. So cute. And these Macabun colors are most likely going to be the Macabun colors that I'll be making for the mini Macabun plushes. If you guys haven't seen the final plush shape, I'll put up a picture here, and the colors that will be available for the mini plushes are pink, black, purple, and blue, because those are also the most popular colors that you guys got on the Macabun pre-orders. I am also going to be making giant Macabuns. Those will also be in these same 4 colors. Apologies to the other Macabuns. You guys might have enjoyed those, but unfortunately, I am on a budget. I can't be making too many products. You guys might have forgotten, but I'm also in the process of making laptop cases and the Boba Eater backpack. So that is going to be a lot of money spent on manufacturing. Hopefully I will be able to fund all these projects at once. I also need to be making more pins for the next 3 months of Patreon rewards. Yeah, gonna be a lot of work, but I hope you guys enjoy all these cute products that I'm putting out. Anyways, make sure to smack that like button as hard as I smack Macabun. Subscribe if you want more updates on my newest products. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.